Hi, I'm Stuart Hetherington, founder of Bleep. And this thing strapped to my head like some face-sucking alien is a CPAP mask. You don't need to know anything about sleep apnea to understand that wearing one of these is a one-way ticket to Show Island. I you not.
And if you're one of the 18 million unfortunate souls who've been diagnosed with sleep apnea like me, this mask is what the big boys in the industry call an answer to the problem. While PAP is the gold standard for treatment, it may not surprise you that less than 50% of people actually stick with therapy. And why would they? The masks are huge, and they're uncomfortable. They make your face look like you've been playing tic-tac-toe with a 3-year-old. It's no wonder people stop using the things. They're awful. Well, I give a about sleep, so I decided to do something about it. I spent the past 8 years and practically every penny I had researching a better way that those of us that need a CPAP machine at night could sleep with one. And today I'm proud to introduce Eclipse Sleep Solution, only from Bleep. At just 1 ounce, this thing's comfortable. It's lightweight, fits anyone, and lets you sleep in any position, and keeps you from whistling like Thomas the Train. The best part is, it actually works. This thing isn't just good, it's f***ing great. In fact, we think this is the best sleep apnea solution on the planet. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky thought bubble, or wouldn't it be nice if it created a micro-sized battery that didn't melt off your face pipe dream? We've actually submitted to the FDA. Stop worrying about claustrophobia and strap marks or waking up looking like Cousin Ed on a bad hair day. And tell your spouse they don't have to sleep in the spare bedroom anymore. Join us. Together, we can make the mask a thing of the past.